In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the latest free Project Makeover mod menu that works on both iOS and Android. If you're looking for a Project Makeover hack with unlimited gems, coins, and cash, this video will walk you through everything step by step. As you can see on the screen, this Project Makeover mod menu gives you access to all available features, including unlimited gems, unlimited coins, and unlimited cash on both iPhone and Android devices. No restrictions. This mod also includes several powerful options such as unlocking all outfits, unlocking all furniture, unlocking all decorations, and much more, allowing you to fully customize your gameplay experience without limitations. Before getting started, make sure your Project Makeover game is updated to the latest version. Simply open the App Store or Google Play Store, search for Project Makeover, and install any available updates. This step is important to ensure the mod works correctly. Once your game is fully updated, you're ready to proceed. The next step is to check the pinned comment below, where I explain exactly how and where to get Project Makeover++ easily. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.